Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10-line speech on Teachers' Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, respected teachers and my dear friends. Second line is, I welcome you all to our Teachers' Day celebration. Third line is, it is celebrated on 5th September every year. Fourth line is, today is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Fifth line is, he was a great teacher and philosopher. Sixth line is, to remember his life, work, and approach towards students. This day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Seventh line is, on this day we thank teachers for what they do for society. Eighth line is, on this day I would like to express my gratitude to all my teachers. Ninth line is thank you for your patience, guidance, and support. Last line, that is line number 10, is I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.